Hello everybody, this is Zuri and welcome back to the channel. So in today's art lesson, we're going to be doing a beautiful beach scene featuring a setting sun, a tiki hut surrounded by beautiful palm trees. Let's get started. So you already know I'm going to first start by putting in my grid to help me with placement. I'm going to put in a mark at the top and the bottom to help me to kind of stay on track on how big I want to draw each subject. I'm going to put in the water line, then put in the rock formation. Next, I'm going to draw in the tiki hut. Then I'm going to put in the palm trees. And lastly, I'm going to put in the sun in the background. So starting off, I'm going to be coloring in my sky. I'm going to first use bright yellow at the top, and then I'm going to use the color orchid at the bottom. These two color combinations going to kind of help me to give that setting sun illusion that I am going for. I'm going to use the color yellow to color in my sun. And for starting off coloring in the sea, I'm going to use red wine. For the rock formation, I'm going to be using slate gray. So going back up to the sky, I want to make it a little bit more interesting by giving it color variation. So I'm going to start by filling in those holes and gaps with red wine. Also, I'm going to use light blue, and then I'm going to take bright yellow and kind of tie all those colors together. Now you also can see that I kind of go in with the palm trees here a little bit, but that is okay because we're going to clean that up at the end. So let's add some depth to that ocean. So I'm going to take Persian blue and fill in the gaps with that. And then after, I'm going to allow that to dry, and I'm going to go in and start filling in my palm trees with a basic black. Working on this rock formation here, I'm going to take my jumbo black Parch marker and I'm going to use some short strokes. This is going to help me build up this rock formation and give it more of a rocky illusion. So the sun is setting and she is casting her light onto the ocean. To give that illusion, I'm going to first take bright yellow as my bottom color. As that dries, I'm going to then put over it a translucent white. Going back over to my rock formation, I'm going to fill in some of those gaps there with a basic black, taking a white, and then going back onto my palm trees and smudging that white in to build it up. Then I'm going to go back over to the sun and the sunlight that's casting onto the ocean, and then finish it off with some yellow as my secondary color, and then adding a bolder white on top. Taking some white here and smudging it in to build up my rock formation, and last but not least, taking a basic black to color and draw in my tiki hut. Wow, I don't know about you all, but this is a place that I would love to be at right now. I hope you all enjoy the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next art tutorial. Bye bye, everybody.